Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 Gold and Bitcoin podcast for January 7th, going into the 8th. Starting off with the S&P 500. Okay, we've been bullish overall from 3502. We had rallied 3,492 into today's open, and even more than that with new highs at 70.0675. We also broke above this key formation right in here. That came in at 69.6821 to 69.69.72 minus 0.04 per hour. I did say that projects us upward 110 minimum, 410 plus maximum. But we are rolling over and testing it now. Bear with me just a second. If we fell back below that decently overnight, that's going to warrant decent pressure, likely for days, possibly weeks. A decent penetration in there overnight is going to be 26.5. After the open tomorrow, it's going to be 24. Furthermore, a decent break below this formation right here, which is a new formation, which comes in at 69.0860. Plus 45 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Wednesday. That will warrant decent pressure for 100 points minimum. Okay, and in the gold, I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff today. The trade above 44, 49, 40 brought in strength up to 45, 12, 40. As well as the trade above 44, 56, 70. But then we failed back below 44, 66, 40, which now warns of pressure. Decent break back above that line where it comes in at 44, 72, 40 as of 6 o'clock p.m. Wednesday. That will negate the bearish bias below it. Further break below this formation right here, which is going to come in at 43.9790. Excuse me. 43.9790 minus 1.7 per hour. That's going to warn of continued pressure as well. And in the Bitcoin, I'm not going to go over the higher time frame stuff. The trade above 87,930 projects this upward 2,500 minimum. We attained 7,315. We had a bullish call above 88,540 for 2,000 minimum, 17,000 plus maximum. We've seen 6,705 of that so far. And then the trade above 88,560 brought in 66.85, and the trade above 92,065 brought in 31.80 before rolling over to test below it here. Decent trade below this formation right here, which is going to come in at 91.092. Plus 24 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Wednesday will warrant decent pressure. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a good evening, and I'll see you on tomorrow's podcast.